Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn slightly higher on the day while beans and wheat were lower. Mixed again this morning with corn unchanged while beans and wheat are higher. We got crop progress out yesterday, so let's grab the whiteboard here and go over what we got. So good to excellent ratings remained unchanged, came in at 74% good to excellent for corn and 73% for beans. Don't really see those change a whole lot this time of the year. So came in unchanged. As far as corn mature, came in at 93%. It's a 6% increase from last week. Beans dropping leaves came in at 95%. That's a 4% increase from last week. And then this is winter wheat planted, came in at 76% versus it's an 8% increase from last week. Corn harvested came in at 31%. It's a 7% increase from the previous week. Beans came in at 53% harvested. It's a 13% increase from last week. And then winter wheat emerged came in at 56%. That's a 13% increase from last week. So a little still decently behind on the harvest figures. Obviously the wetness that we had the previous, not this past weekend, but the weekend before, and then the early part of last week delayed things, not a whole lot of progress going on. However, late last week and through the weekend things dried out. Things are still drying out, and the outlook pretty much the next 2 weeks throughout the entirety of what we've got left in October look pretty good weather-wise, and so we should get some harvest done. It's a little warmer and drier. There are some spotty showers here and there, of course, but nothing like we saw the previous week where it delayed a decent amount. So should see those harvest figures do some pretty good catching up over the next 2 weeks. So other than that, that's really all we've got today. Seeing a little bit of a turnaround Tuesday, as I mentioned. Beans and wheat are higher. We'll have to see if that will sustain. Not seeing near the volume that we did when the funds were doing a lot of short covering. So we'll have to see if anybody wants to buy into this rally or if it sells off, and we'll definitely know what happened. Let you know what happened today in tomorrow's report. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.